most developers are learning the AI the wrong way. For a long time, developers believed AI was all about the machine learning, where you train the models, improve the accuracy, and expect the result. But the AI industry has changed. Today, companies are using the foundation models from the platforms like OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, and Anthropic. The real changes now is integrating the AI into the real products, deploying AI system in the cloud, building the scalable AI application, creating the agentic AI systems that can reason, plan, and take the action. That's why companies are hiring the AI engineers, LLM engineers, GenAI engineers, and the AI platform engineers that combine the software engineering, cloud infrastructure, and the AI integration. If you are a developer and wondering how to move from learning AI to actually building the AI systems, I am hosting a free masterclass where I will show you how the AI applications are designed, built, and deployed in the cloud. Join the masterclass and start your journey into the AI engineering. Register now.